बच्चों, good morning to all of you. Today we'll discuss about the development of embryo in angiosperm plant. So, development of embryo in angiosperm plant. You know, embryo develops from zygote in the angiosperm plant after true fertilization, means when male gamete fuse with egg cell, egg cell get converted into zygote and zygote develop into embryo. So how this embryo develops? Zygote increase in size, undergo cleavage, form proembryo, then it form globular embryo. After that, it form heart-like embryo, then mature embryo develops. So let us see how this development of embryo occurs. So here is the zygote. This zygote is diploid. Zygote is 2n. It undergo cleavage, a set of division. It undergo cleavage, and the cell which is present towards the micropyle, that is called as suspensor cell, and the cell which is present toward the away from the micropyle, that is called as embryonal cell. In next step, these both cells undergo division by mitosis division. So when the suspensor cell divide, it forms a set of linear cells. A set of linear cells here, one, two. So here is the one cell, two cell, three. Now here a set of linear cell and this embryonal cell form just this rounded cells, and this is called as embryonal cell. Now this terminal cell is called as haustolia, and this cell which is present near the embryonal cell, that is called as hypophysis. So here zygote undergo cleavage from two cells. The cell present toward the micropyle suspensor cell, the cell present toward the away from micropyle, that is embryonal cell. This cell undergo division in linear way, then form hypophysis and haustolia, and here this is the embryonal cell. Again this undergo division further, then it form a group of cells. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here 7, and this is 8 cell. So this cell is hypophysis and this is haustolia. Now this again divide to form 8 cell. Now this is called as globular embryo. This is called as globular embryo. Here, the cell which is present near hypophysis, the embryonal cell which is present near hypophysis, that form hypocarter, and the group of embryonal cell presents away from hypophysis, that is called that called as epicarter and give rise to mule, and the cell which is present near the hypophysis, that called hypocarter, give rise radical. Now this is called as globular embryo. Globular embryo. In next step, it form heart-like embryo. In next step, it form heart-like embryo. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Now, again this is haustoria, this is hypophysis, and here this form a heart-like heart-like embryo. It becomes multicellular now. Multicellular heart-like embryo. This is heart-shaped embryo. And after heart-shaped embryo, next one is mature embryo. This is heart-shaped embryo. After that, the mature embryo will develop, and the mature embryo, here the development of embryo of dicot plant. So the two cartilagen will develop here. The mature embryo, haustoria, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Now, now this will form a mature embryo here, and two cartilagen. So this is the two cartilagen and multicellular. Now, this is just I have written earlier, Haustoria, this is suspensor, hypophysis, this is Haustoria, this is hypophysis, and here is the group of embryonal cell present near hypophysis, that is called as hypocartil, and the group of embryonal cell presents away from hypophysis, that is called as epicartal, and these two are called as cotyledon. These two structures are called as cotyledon. So this is mature embryo. Mature embryo of dicot. This is the mature embryo of mature embryo of dicot plant, Sepsella versapistoris. Here, this is the development of embryo of dicot seed. You can see here is the zygote, 2 year, it increase in size. Now, pro-embryo is developed into pro-embryo. Pro-embryo zygote increase in size, undergo division by mitosis division, form 2 cell. The cell which is present near micropyle, that is called as suspensor cell, and the away from micropyle, that is called as embryonal cell. Suspensor cell undergo linear division. Embryonal cell also undergo division. So the suspensor cell produce hypophysis and terminal cell of this called as Haustoria, and the embryonal cell divide to form this globular embryo. And here in this globular embryo, the cell which is the embryonal cell, the group of embryonal cell which is present near hypophysis, which is present this near hypophysis, that is called as the cell which is present near hypophysis, that is called as hypocartil. This form hypocartil. The group of cell present near hypophysis, that form hypocartil, and the group of cell which is present away from hypophysis, that form epicartil. The group of embryonal cell present near hypophysis, that form hypocartil, and group of embryonal cell which is present away from hypophysis, that form epicartil. So hypocartil give rise radical and epicartil give rise plumule later on. So this undergo division and form hard-like embryo. After that it form just mature embryo. In dicot plant, the embryo contain embryonal axis and two cartilagen. Embryonal axis contain hypocartil, epicartil, and cotyledon. So whom we will say hypocartil? The embryonal cell which is present near hypophysis, that is hypocartil. Earlier I have told. Embryonal cell which is present away from hypophysis, that is called as epicartil. Hypocartil give rise radical and epicartil give rise plumule. Here the development of embryo in both dicot and monocot plant is same in early stage, but later stage in dicot seed the embryo contain two cartilagen, and in monocot seed the embryo contain only one cartilagen. So here this is all about the development of embryo in dicot seed. Thank you very much.